Can hair extensions cause hair loss? It's one of the biggest concerns that people have before getting hair extensions. And the good news is that professionally fitted hair extensions shouldn't cause hair loss. The key is making sure that the right method is chosen for your hair type and that they're fitted correctly. Problems are much more likely to occur when hair extensions are too heavy for the natural hair, fitted incorrectly, or left in for too long without maintenance. Over time, this can place unnecessary tension on the hair and scalp, increasing the risk of breakage or traction-related hair loss. Aftercare is just as important. Regular brushing, following the correct maintenance schedule, and using the recommended aftercare products from the brand that your hair extensions on are all going to keep your hair and scalp in the best condition. It's also worth remembering that we naturally shed around 50 to 100 strands of hair every single day. If you're wearing hair extensions, those shed hairs are going to remain trapped inside your attachments until your maintenance appointment. So it can look like you've lost loads of hair when those hair extensions are removed. But in most cases, that's simply the natural hair that would have shed anyway. If you ever notice discomfort, excessive tension, or pain after having hair extensions fitted, it's important to contact your hair extension technician. Hair extensions shouldn't be painful, and any concerns should be checked as soon as possible. Ultimately, hair extensions themselves don't usually cause any hair loss. The biggest factors are the quality of the fitting, choosing the right method for your hair, and looking after them properly between maintenance appointments. If you're also wondering which hair extension methods are safest, what signs to look for if hair extensions have been fitted incorrectly, or how to avoid damage while wearing extensions, we've covered all those questions in our Other Roots Q&As. And if there's another question you'd like us to answer, let us know. We're always creating straightforward expert advice to help you choose the hair extensions that are genuinely right for you.